Sandeep Singh, the so-called friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, gave a live interview with Arnab Goswami on Republic TV yesterday. I think Sandeep Singh has committed the biggest mistake of his life yesterday. We all clearly know that Sandeep Singh has hands in the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, and he has clearly confirmed it on the live show with Arnab Goswami. The question is when Sandeep was not aware of his answers and he clearly knows that he would be exposed, why did he attend this live show? We could clearly see from the show that Sandeep repeatedly kept telling lies. He was lying, and to hide all those lies, he again lied, and all these clearly proved that Sandeep was hiding something. He knows something. He's hiding the truth. And he definitely must be investigated in the proper way so that the truth comes out. There are few points which we like to discuss what Sandeep Singh has shared on that show. The first one is Sandeep Singh mentioned that he was not in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput for the last 10 months. This is really rubbish. And in an interview, Sandeep Singh said that he and Sushant were working on a dream project called Vande Bharatam, and once this COVID issue gets over, the project is about to start. That is, the shoot is about to begin. So when they were discussing about this project, how could Sandeep Singh mention that he was not in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput for about 10 months? And if he was not in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput for about a year, then why did the police inform Sandeep Singh on this when found out Sushant Singh Rajput's death? And the second stupid thing what he told was he mentioned that he has never met Rhea Chakrabarti in his life, and this one is really absurd. When he mentioned Sushant as his close friend, and all are in the same Bollywood industry, and Rhea Chakrabarti was living together with Sushant Singh Rajput, and definitely Sandeep would have met him in his house. And how come he did not meet Rhea Chakrabarti even once? This shows that either he is trying to hide from this case, or he is helping Rhea to hide from this case. Something fishy is going on in this case, and this was clear on the live show yesterday. A few days after Sushant's death, Sandeep gave an interview telling that he was sad that Sushant committed suicide. He also asked the media people not to involve anyone in this suicide. So Sandeep at that time strongly mentioned that Sushant committed suicide, and he also was not willing any of the Bollywood stars to get involved in this case. So he gave a clear chat that it was a suicide. Now, yesterday on the live show, he mentioned that it was not a suicide. He could not believe that such a great soul like Sushant could commit suicide, and he also wished to know the truth. He also wished justice for Sushant. What a lie he's telling. How could he lie such greatly on the live show when a million of people are watching it? Earlier, the same person said that it was a suicide, and now the same person on a national TV show mentions that it might not be a suicide. So what is he trying to convey to the public, or is he trying to create confusion among the case? The next important point what he mentioned was he said he is having doubt because the height of the room was not enough for Sushant to hang himself, because the height between the roof and the bed might be nearly 6 feet, and Sushant was over 6 feet. When Arnab Goswami questioned about this to Sandeep Singh said yes, he also had this doubt. He also mentioned that He never entered his room on one side of the speech, and he immediately changed that he saw the height of the room from outside the room because the police did not allow him to enter the room. This is greatest lie of Sandeep Singh. I really don't know how Sandeep Singh could keep lying on a national media live show. And not only in these points, Sandeep Singh was not at all clear about his thoughts nor his points, and he constantly kept blabbering, and he was very scared to answer the questions. He could not face the questions, and he could not give a clear answer to the questions. And when the live session was going on, suddenly Sandeep Singh got disappeared. Did he wantedly leave the call, or there was network connection? We did not know. But then Sandeep Singh did not join the call, and he just disappeared from the call. Was he afraid of getting exposed? He already got exposed, and the questions were thrown at him by Ishkaran and Arnab Goswami. So Sandeep Singh could not face all those questions single-handedly, and he was very scared of getting exposed. That's why he left the live show in the middle of the live show. That is why he left in the middle of the live show, and he never joined. This clearly, yesterday's live show on Republic TV clearly exposed Sandeep Singh. So Sandeep Singh must be investigated properly so that some truth will get out, and it will be very helpful in handling this case. What are your thoughts on Sandeep's statement on the live show with the Republic TV? Please leave your thoughts on the comment section. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe to our channel for latest updates.